Hey, welcome back. This is me Yusra, and this video I'm gonna show you how you can put Snapstreak story on your Snapchat. So the process is very quick and easy. You just make sure your Snapchat is updated, and after that press the app. Now go into your chat list. Here you have to choose the chat of that friend with your Snapstreak you want to put on your Snapchat story. So I'm choosing this one. You can choose according to your own. Just tap on the name of this friend and now scroll down and you will see this type of interface here, and then you have to click on Snapstreak option, which is the second option there. Here you can see that my Snapstreak score is showing here, and this is what you want to. So now we will take a screenshot of that page, and now go back, go into the camera option. Here you will click on the gallery filter. If you don't have, search it. I already have, so I will just put the Snapstreak screenshot which I just take up, and now I will send to my friends or also put it on my story too. This is my story. So in this way you can do it too. I hope this tutorial is very helpful. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.